Welcome to our channel. If you want to buy Bitcoin without identity verification, follow these step-by-step instructions while understanding the limitations and risks involved. Step 1. Research peer-to-peer platforms that allow limited trading without full KYC verification. Options include certain decentralized exchanges or Bitcoin ATMs with lower transaction limits. Step 2. Consider using a Bitcoin ATM, which often allows purchases up to certain limits without ID. Use a Bitcoin ATM locator website to find machines near you. Step 3. If using an ATM, bring cash and have your Bitcoin wallet address ready. Scan the ATM's QR code with your wallet or input your address manually. Step 4. Insert cash into the machine and confirm the transaction details, including fees and exchange rate. Bitcoin ATM fees can be higher than exchange fees. Step 5. Alternatively, use peer-to-peer platforms with in-person cash trades. Meet in public, safe locations, and use the platform's escrow service for protection. Step 6. For online purchases, some platforms offer limited no KYC trading with methods like gift cards, though limits will be lower and rates less favorable. Step 7. Understand that no KYC options typically have higher fees, lower limits, and potentially greater risks. Always prioritize security and use reputable platforms for protection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.